Welcome to my What to Do channel. While you're watching this, please, because nobody does it, right underneath right now, just hit subscribe. Please hit subscribe. I'm about to help you out and show you the biggest trick in the world. Usually I'm doing mechanic videos. Today we're doing some electronic technology stuff, all right? My daughter's mother gave me my daughter's tablet because she's taking her to Florida. It's her first time on a plane and she's panicking. So what's she gonna do if she can't watch her Peppa Pig videos or people making giant slime balls? I'll show you how to get videos onto your tablet. You're going to need some type of USB drive or flash card, whatever your computer takes, whatever you have on the side. If you have flash card inserts, or let me turn the light on here, you might have these little USB slots like this Mac has, but whatever it is that you can plug in here, you're going to need to plug in some external storage on the side of this. I have this adapter here, which is like a USB-C type of adapter that I'm going to plug into the side here, and this will allow me to plug in USB devices or USB-C devices or flash cards. I have a flash card in there. Now, if you look up here, you will see it will show up on the screen that it's recognizing the drive. So I want to click on this drive. So now you want to find on your computer, you want to come over here. I have my downloads folder already open because that's where they are. And it's these top three here that I want to slide over to this drive now. So we're going to basically put these videos onto that external drive that we just plugged in. And there's video number 2. And here is video number 3 that we're going to put on there. Okay. Now all the videos are on the drive. Now you want to take your tablet here, and your tablet most probably is going to have a USB-C type of input on the side there, as ours does, if you have a newer tablet. But whatever yours has, is you want to make sure you're still able to plug this into it. Okay. So we're going to plug this into the side here. Now let's turn our tablet on. You want to find on this particular tablet, it's this yellow one with a little folder. You want to click on that. It'd be My Files. It'll bring up this window here. So it says internal storage and USB storage. The USB storage is recognizing that adapter that we plugged in. So let's click on USB storage. And this is the files that are currently on that drive. All right. And what we want to do is get them off of that drive now onto here. So what you want to do is go to one of the video files and hold down on it. All right. Once you hold down on it, and there's a little check mark next to it, and when you come down here, it'll say move, copy, share, delete, and then there's another little thing with drop down arrows. On this particular tablet, we're going to go to move, and then you can come over here, and you want to hit this internal storage. And now you can come back over here and it'll say move here. So click on move here, and see, it's moving the file off of the drive onto the actual computer. Alright, so now go back to your USB storage again. Okay, go to your next video, hold it down. There's the little yellow check mark. Go down to move. Go back over here to internal storage, click on that. And then go back down here. Let me show you a wider screen here so you can see it. It's going to show up in the corner here. And go move here. And now it's going to copy the next one. Okay, now they're all on the tablet. Go back over here to internal storage. Click on that. We're going to highlight that again like we did last time. The check is next to it. Now if you come down here, here's the word that says more. Click on that. And now you hit add to home screen. And it's going to ask you, add to home screen. Click add. And voila. If you go back to your home screen, these are all the videos I added on there today. But you can see our video is now there. And that's it. That's how you do it. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below. Give me a like, please. I'll see you guys next time.